Alright, welcome once again to MEP Basics. In this video, we're going to talk about how we're going to add architectural models to the previous drawings that we created so that we can start building our design on them. Previously, we looked at how we can set up the project. Now we are looking at how we can add architectural model as an external reference. So let's go straight ahead to those folders, go to open, and I will go straight into the electrical system. We are starting from the electrical systems. So let me just open the lighting layout drawing, and you can see that it is an empty drawing. So you can see there's nothing here. Okay, there's nothing, no drawing in here because we have not added any drawing to this file. Now pay attention. To add a drawing or an architectural model as an external reference, just type either XREF, or you can just type in the command section. Actually, you can type XR and hit enter. This actually is going to open the external references palette. Remember, you can see that the only drawing that we have over here is the lighting layout drawing that we open, which has nothing in it. Okay, so to attach any architectural model, come to this place, follow my mouse, and come to attach drawing, click the drop down, and then choose attach DWG. It is going to open a dialog box, and we are going to locate our drawing. Okay, so remember, now we are going to attach the architectural model. So go to the architectural model folder and then select the architectural drawing and open. Now pay attention to this very page. Also, it's very important to understand what is happening here. Make sure you have the file path or the path type to be on relative path. Keep it as an overlay, and then leave the rest of the things over here as it is. Okay, so just go to OK, and you must see your architectural model right here. Okay, interesting, isn't it? So that is that. You should see architectural model right over here. So with this said, you can do the same for the rest of the buildings, as your form of exercise. So I want to pause this video also over here and then leave you to work around what we have done so far. In the next video, we're going to look at how we can actually lay out the lighting fixtures in the rooms or in the various spaces, and we are going to appreciate what we are really doing. So just stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.